This sink should fit perfectly, but it doesn't. There's this lip underneath that I didn't expect. So now I have a dilemma. What should I do? I thought it was already prepared, but now I have a problem.
Right, I bought a sink from Global House. This was on special offer, 2,390 baht. It's a double sink. And it includes all the waste and the tap. So all the waste fittings are in here and the tap is in here too. So it's not a bad price, 2,390 baht. So let's find out if it fits in that hole.
Oh dear. Can you see the problem? There's this lip underneath this sink, which I didn't have on my old sink. So it's exactly the right size, same size as my old sink, but this lip is stopping it from sitting flush. So I've got a problem. What do I do? Do I get a new sink without this lip, or do I cut the hole bigger? What to do? What to do? Well, rather than going back to the shop, I think I will cut the hole bigger.
That's it, the sink is in. You can put a seal around the edge, seal it down. That job's a good one. So we've got the waste here, which I'm going to connect up and run a pipe waste going out that way and then that way. So I've got to get water from inside the shed from there. Run along here. Outside and then come in here, and the waste is going to go out there, through there, and into that soakaway there. Okay, job's a good one. Right, sink is in. Next step, fit all these pieces. The tap they've given us is not the best quality. In fact, I might change that. Don't like the look of that. When they were selling this item, they showed me a much better tap than that. Anyway, let's start putting it all together. Right, I just connected the sink piping. Comes out here, runs along the back to where the kitchen sink is. So it comes in here to the tap. I'll put this tap on for now, but I think I'm going to change it. I don't like it. Seems a bit cheap and cheerful. Right, so let's test if there are any leaks. The moment of truth. So first of all, I have to switch it on here. That comes from the water pump. The water pump over there. And then I switch it on from the tank. And then I plug in the power. Oh, we have water. Yeah. No leaks here. No leaks over there. Looking good. Well, the lesson I've learned with this project is before you make the hole for your sink, you should buy the sink. That way you'll know that it's going to fit. Well, in the next video, I'll be carrying on with this kitchen build. So, if you want to see how it all turns out, I will see you there. Thank you for watching.